Assalamualaikum. It's very nice to meet you again. It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a canvas plastic bag, especially sling bag. But as usually, before I start, please support my channel by subscribe, leave your comment below, give me your thumbs up and share. Thank you. Okay, let's start with supplies. And here I already prepared the plastic canvas for our purpose, and I cut it for according to the pattern I've made before. And here's the dimension. Prepare for two pieces for the side part, and this one piece for the main part. And we also have to prepare the ribbons, and I also prepared a long strap for the sleeve and two pieces of D-ring, and we also need a needle, plastic needle, and a match. So let's get started. First we have to insert the ribbon into the needle, and we may cut about two layers. The length is about 1 meter, and don't forget to burn the edge of the ribbon. Okay, start from the center of the plastic canvas, and then 1 2 3 4 5 step down, and then put it out to the top of the canvas, and then 1 2 3 4 5, and then move 5 boxes diagonally, and then bring it up, bring it to the top of the canvas, and make sure that the rest of the ribbon lays neatly. This is how we hide the excess of the ribbon. Finish with the first box, first stitch. Now bring it down diagonally, and count 1 2 3 4 5 boxes. The same process, repeat the same process as the first stitching. Okay, done with the diagonal stitching. Now we start to make the vertical stitching using the different color of the ribbon. Okay, main part is ready. Now we will make the side part. And for the side part, I decided to use a different kind of ribbon and also different kind of stitching. So we just you make vertical and horizontal stitching for the side part of the bag. Okay, now time to join the main part and the side part. Of course, we have to make sure that where the middle of each part, and then we join it into one. Okay, and then continue stitching all around the edges. Do the same process to the side parts, to the other side part, and then now it's time to make to close the short edges of the canvas. The body is ready now, and then we will stitch the D-ring to the part side of to the part side of the back. Well, since I prefer using lining to the back, so I already prepared the fabric for the main interior and 2 pieces for the side part. And I also prepared the zipper. But before we stitching, make sure that we already mark the center of the part of each part by make a small cuts or small V. And this is how I arrange to stitch the zipper. The good side of the fabric meets the back side of the zipper, and then stitch along the edges, but start and stop exactly in one seam allowance, and in this case I use 1 centimeter. And now put the lining into the back and match the center line together with a pin. And then hand stitch the zipper to the edge of the back, and we use the back stitch so it will looks nice. It will looks nice either from the top or from the back of the back. Well, now it's time to put the slider on and then close the ends of the zipper with a ribbon and a button. Okay, the sling bag from the plastic canvas and ribbons is ready now. It looks so lovely, right? Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment below. And don't forget to also to push the notification button so you will get notification if I upload the new videos. Well, stay safe. See you on my next tutorial. Thank you again. Assalamualaikum and bye.